So the first thing is about the planning and organizing. So I know this farm is on the Hand on River region website, and the project called the first Saturday on the farm at EAC South. So this project is about weeding, planting, watering, and repairing garden bed, turning compost. So we came here to clean up and plant vegetables. Also, we can help build the place up. This farm is open by a volunteer group and help children and other people to know about gardening skills, teamwork. Specifically, each plant here, the farm has classes about this and a big area to practice skills. Because this farm just opened, so it needs a lot of work from the volunteer. That's why we came here and build this place and help people to know about the farm and gain knowledge about gardening skills. So the problem is the farm is located in the private area behind the Montgomery advertisements. All the signs are handmade by the volunteers, and if you look from far away, it's like a big garden around a small house. But I think with volunteer strength, this place will roll up, and at present, the farm has chicken cake, and there's a big sign at the entrance, so people can know about it more. So UNLV taught me to care about the communities, and the children deserve to have a healthy environment to grow up. And I really love volunteering. When I volunteer at any place, I learn new things and refresh my mind after studying hard at college. So the project is all the materials and plan have been bought and donated by family and communities. The farm just needs volunteers to make it perfect. So, okay. So we go into this next slide. The Savage Learning Project implementation. So, we actually went there by the Montgomery bus around 7:30 and came there at 9 on Saturday. We meet Alice. So she got an internship at the farm, and she worked for Auburn Universities. And also many families and their children came here to about gardening skills. The air is fresh and peaceful. The farm located behind the Montgomery advertisement. We had a really nice conversation with each other before the workshop started. So what we do on Saturday, the farm had a workshop in the morning for adults and children. Children have classes with instructor about plant and how to plant blueberry. Adults separate into two groups. One group were continuing to plant cabbage and other vegetable. Another group were building a concrete because this place is not supporting disabilities. So Long and I were helping to build a concrete path from the entrance to the back so the visitor can go easily on a wheelchair. I think this is a great job for educational and social life. Disability people deserve an equal chance to learn about gardening skills and know more about different plants. Also, they can learn about how to eat the healthy meal. So I see that we don't have any obstacle with planning and implementation. With instruction and many people, we did halfway of the concrete path, and the weather was nice and fresh. So we work out is perfectly. And about UNLV taught me to do the job until it got done. I knew the way to do it, but it took a lot of time and work. Besides, we are really tired, but we remember the lesson and try to finish it completely. And we will come back next week to finish the rest of the concrete. So after done work in the morning, Long and I talked to the office women who organized the schedule plan. and she told us about the purpose of the farm and why she happy working with it. We learned by sightseeing people doing gardening, different plant, and how to plant a tree properly. And the first time I touched it, the chicken, I will show students at AUM know about this place and encourage them to come and volunteer here. So we come to the next slide. It's about my reflections. So I really love doing the projects. I enjoy the fresh air and refresh my mind. And I did something helpful for my communities and learn a lot from it. And I learned to develop skills. The first skills is so important. It is working in a group. I think this is really helpful with my academic career at AUM. And because in the future we have many projects working in a group, so we must organize and unify our thought and action to have the best result. Secondly, I learned soft skills about gardening. This is not supporting my career, but when I got the house, I can work with my own garden and teach my kid how to do it. And that is what I learned through the projects. And if I have given the opportunity again, I would choose the same thing. It's the project. This project is just start, but I think it's need just many volunteers as it can to come here and have. I want to see it grow because the purpose of this project is wonderful and the kid can participate in this too. Thank you for listening to my presentation.